Thank you, everyone here, and I'm glad to be with you because this is a good team. My name is Reverend Rutaisire. I'm teaching at the University of Rwanda within a college of medicine, and I'm based in a school called the Health Sciences, and I'm teaching radiologic physics there. So it's very amazing to interact with you because it's enriching and I have to gain much knowledge about this. Nowadays, we we are in a COVID isolation or confinement period, a lockdown as they call so, and we have to use the Moodle platform in order to interact with our students in the remote areas. Unfortunately, our students do not have internet. Sometimes we have to call them to tell them that we have uploaded our teaching materials on the Moodle platform. And as we have to engage them, those tools provided by Dr. Neri, and they are very useful for us. And I think that it will be an innovation for my my department. I will embed, I will use the GoBrunch, the Zoom, even if nowadays it is prohibited here. The government of Rwanda uh, has set a warning for the governmental organization not to use the Zoom because there is a kind of leakage inside. Thank you very much.